This is my review and disassembly reassembly tutorial of the 3rd generation Glock 19. The Glock 19 is a semi-automatic pistol chambered in 9mm. Its size is classified as a compact, bridging the gap between full-size and subcompact. It has a polymer frame and a steel slide. The factory ammunition capacity is 15+1. However, it also accepts 17 and 31 round magazines. Personally, I have found the Glock 19 to be very reliable and accurate. Even though it only has a 4.02-inch barrel, it can compete with full-size pistols when it comes to accuracy. I have personally put close to 1,000 rounds through mine and only had 2 failure to extract issues. Both failures occurred while using low-quality reloaded ammunition. Weighing in at 1.9 pounds fully loaded, the Glock 19 is also a lightweight pistol. To disassemble the Glock 19, first start by clearing the firearm and performing a safety check. The magazine release is located on the left side of the grip and is easily activated with the push of a thumb. Next, pull back on the slide and check to make sure the chamber is clear before proceeding. Dry fire the weapon by pulling the trigger in order to release the firing pin. To disassemble the pistol, place the gun in your dominant hand, then position your 4 fingers so that they are coming up over the top of the slide. Gently pull the slide approximately 1 cm toward the back. Then, using your thumb and index finger of your opposite hand, push the slide lock down on both sides of the frame, located here and here. Release the frame with your dominant hand. The slide will now come forward and off the frame. At this point, no further disassembly of the lower half is really required for normal maintenance. You can clean the major components at this stage. Next, while holding the slide in your hand like so, gently depress the recoil spring assembly with your thumb and pull it out. Then pull the back of the barrel out and slide it until you can remove it toward the rear. You may now clean the inside of the barrel and slide. To reassemble, first start by placing the barrel back into the slide from the rear. Then take the recoil spring assembly and place it into the slide and barrel. Note, the tapered end must be facing the muzzle. Finally, place the slide above the front of the frame and slide it backwards until it locks. The Glock 19 is now reassembled and ready for a magazine and operation.